Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, an awesome company called Kimimoto sent me these rear foot pegs to go over for the CT125. So we're going to install them right quick, see how they fit. Just a little quick video here, and I'm not sure that these are on the market yet, but they gave them to us. They look really quality. It looks like they bolt on with two small Allen bolts. It looks like it's going to be simple. So let's get right into putting it on the CT125. Now my bike doesn't have a rear seat, so this is just for fitment purposes and really some feedback for the company. So really pleased that they sent us these to try out, that they trust us enough to put them on there and see how they fit. But they look really quality. They're billet aluminum. They've got some protector here on them to keep the from scratching the paint. And we're gonna get them up here on this left side one here on and see how it looks. All right, so it looks like we got, it's gonna fit right here between where the factory ones go. I believe the factory, if you get the bike in Asia, it's gonna have these are already drilled and tapped. So it looks to me like it's just two 5mm Allens, and we're gonna get that up on there and see how it goes here. So we're gonna put this, I'm thinking just right between here. I guess you could pretty much adjust this however you wanted for you know, the different riders or whatever. But let's get this up on here and see how it fits and let these guys know what we got here. Like I said, let's just hand start these loosely on both of them. Chain's gonna be in the way just a little bit there. That's okay though, we can still get to it. Kimimoto also sent me some gloves to go over, so we'll have that in an upcoming video as well. Alright, let's snug this up here with the ratchet. Tightening it evenly on both sides, and you can just kind of push that chain out of your way a little bit. If it's too much out in the way on your bike, you can loosen the chain a little if you have to, or you can just use a regular Allen. I just like to, or an extension I guess would help, or a long Allen would be good. All right, yeah man, that's really rigid and sturdy, and it's got a lot of grippers on it. That looks good on there. I'll get a little shot of it here from back. Yeah, it looks good. I'm pretty happy with that. That fits really good. I don't believe the chain will interfere with it at all. So that's pretty good. Let's sit on it and see, even though I don't have a rear seat here, see how it fits. Oh yeah, it's good and sturdy. Doesn't feel like it moves at all. That's pretty cool. Alright, Kimimoto, thanks for sending us that. Pretty pleased with that. That fit really easy, super easy install, and you know, cut and dry. So looks like a good quality piece. I'd recommend it, and we appreciate working with you guys. No negative comments on that. Fits good, folds up, stays out of the way. Perfect. Thanks guys. You guys, if you like what you see here, smash that like button, and I'll try to, on the community tab, give some feedback on when they come out ready for the market. All right. Take care.